Welcome to this tutorial where I will guide you step by step on how to change the car icon in the Waze app on your phone. Customizing your car icon can make your navigation experience more fun and personalized. Whether you want to switch to a different style or just refresh the look, this video will show you exactly. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, find and select Map Display. After that, look for the option labeled Car Icon and tap on it. You will see a list of different car icons to choose from. Finally, browse through the list and select the car icon that you prefer. Once you choose your favorite icon, it will automatically replace the current one on your map. You can always come back and change it again whenever you want. In conclusion, changing your car icon in the Waze app is a simple way to add a bit of personality to your navigation experience. By following these easy steps, you can customize your driving map in less than a minute. Thank you for watching.